It comes with an Intel i9 processor, NVIDIA RTX 2060 GPU, a 4K OLED touchscreen display, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. They call it the laptop of tomorrow. What's up everybody, Zaki here from Geek Culture, and this is the Geek's Guide to the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo. The ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo packs in a lot of features, including an additional multi-touch display, also known as the ScreenPad Plus. Designed to give you better workflow and productivity, be it a budding photographer, a powerhouse video editor, a writer, an illustrator, or a video game streamer. There's something in it for everyone. Featuring a full-width 14.1-inch 4K display, the ZenBook Pro Duo's ScreenPad Plus comes with multiple features and built-in apps that work seamlessly with the 15.6-inch 4K Ultra HD OLED display main screen. Though new, this second screen might just be the mainstay of ASUS's future offerings. So let's dive in and explore all the cool things you can do with the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo and the ScreenPad Plus. The Organizer app taps on the ScreenPad Plus's extra real estate. You can arrange up to 3 blocks of apps by simply dragging them onto the ScreenPad Plus. It will then resize these windows and snap them into place for your convenience. The Task Group is an amazing app which lets you customize and run multiple apps with just one tap. You can open up to 5 apps or windows, 2 on the main screen and 3 smaller ones on the ScreenPad Plus. So, if you prefer to multitask and need all your apps up and running, Task Group on the ScreenPad Plus is the perfect solution. ViewMax is an amazing way to fully utilize the ZenBook Pro Duo. This effectively combines the ScreenPad Plus and the main display into one big screen. It's perfect for reading your daily news or just surfing the net in general. With so much on screen, how do you navigate through them all? App Navigator makes everything easy breezy. You can easily view all your apps at once and close apps you don't need without even accessing them. If you're a frequent user of editing software, the ZenBook Pro Duo has the quick keys function, such as copy, paste, and undo, that you can use to speed up your editing process. Here's something you might forget when using the ZenBook Pro Duo. The number pad can be activated by simply tapping on this on-screen button here. And finally, if you have the handwriting function, which when coupled with the ZenBook Pro Duo's ASUS Pen, helps to turn your handwriting into text. Great for lazy periods where a keyboard just won't do. With the ScreenPad Plus, you will also no longer need an external tablet to doodle on, as you can simply use the ASUS Pen to sketch and doodle straight onto the ScreenPad Plus. Well, here are just some of the nifty special features of the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo. If you'd like to see our review of the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo, you can check out the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with more geeky news and tidbits. Until then, this is Zaki and stay geeky.